Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be coloring my mother's hair, the end of it to be precise. All you need is a mixing bowl, the color of course. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. You'll also need a brush and the volume developer. Comment down below, have you ever bleached or dyed your hair, and if yes, which color did you get? Also, what's your favorite hair color? You'll definitely need gloves. Also, Vaseline to line around the edges and like on the ear to get the dye off easier if it drops on it. You'll need rubber bands just to section the hair. Right here, this is just a picture of her hair before the dye. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Now getting down to business, guys. Putting my gloves on, and if you haven't seen like my previous, I have like two videos. One in-depth video telling you like just how to dye or bleach your hair, and I have a other one where I dye my hair from red to black. I am going to leave those down in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box as well as right above. So I just add the volume developer in the bowl. Now I'm adding the hair color, which is a red, like it's more on the darker side. Now right here I'm mixing it together. Make sure I get the perfect consistency and it's well mixed together. Now what I realize about this dye is the longer it sits, the more like it gets a dark color. So if you want it lighter, you just go ahead and apply it as soon as you mix it. You'll definitely see what I'm talking about further down in the video when it gets darker. So all I'm doing right now, guys, is just sectioning my mother's hair, and just keep on watching to see what's next. I'll definitely come in every now and then just to let you guys know what's popping. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I want. Right here, I'm just adding the Vaseline just to prevent it, like, you know, from staining if any drops on her face or anywhere else. So yeah, and guys, just to let you know, I am not a licensed professional. So this is the color, guys, as it gets darker. That's what I was talking about. And look at the consistency. Now for extra protection, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a towel around her. You know, all hairdressers do this, so nothing new. Now I'm adding the color to the end of her hair. That's where she wanted it, nowhere else. So you'll see me doing this all over on each section. So that's it, guys. Just continue watching. So I just want to put this out there. A lot of times you guys see YouTubers on here. You think we always get things perfect, but that's far from the case. Because after I did my mother's hair, I actually did my mother-in-law hair and it came out a hot mess. But the thing is, you learn from your mistakes. I realized that because the dye had a developer in it, I shouldn't have put the developer in the bleach itself. So that's like a double lightener if I had used just the dye, but the dye was mixed before. So it's kind of like a situation I couldn't prevent unless I didn't use the dye that I used on her hair. So yeah. So the good thing, I learned my lesson and I know what to do next time. So yeah. So yeah, I even recorded the video, but I don't think I'll upload it because I don't think it's something you guys can benefit from. But if you guys want to see that failure, just comment down below and let me know.
Stand up. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So now I'm adding the foil paper on the ends just to make the process go faster, and I let her sit for 30 to 35 minutes before I washed it out.
Girls, them a random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Mommy, I say she.
This is our results after, guys, and you can definitely see the difference. The first color was that burnt orange. So yeah, this is the end of the tutorial, and until my next video, guys, one love.